Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Paslode cordless framing nailer. First, ensure your battery is fully charged and inserted. Next, load a fresh fuel cell into its compartment. Then, slide a strip of framing nails into the magazine until it clicks into place. Finally, adjust the depth of drive to suit your material, typically by turning the depth adjustment wheel. This ensures your nails are set perfectly flush or countersunk. Safety is paramount when using any power tool. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and hearing protection. Hold the nailer firmly with both hands, maintaining a stable body position. Before firing, ensure your workpiece is properly secured to prevent movement or kickback. Depress the nose piece against the material, then pull the trigger for a single shot, or use bump fire for rapid nailing. For precise work, like attaching joist hangers, use the sequential firing mode for one nail at a time. When framing long walls or decks, switch to bump fire mode for faster, more efficient nailing. Remember to check your fuel cell and battery indicators frequently. A typical fuel cell can drive about 1,200 nails, and a fully charged battery can drive up to 9,000 nails. Proper maintenance ensures your Paslode nailer lasts for years. After every 10,000 to 50,000 shots, clean the combustion chamber and air filter thoroughly. Inspect the driver blade and O-rings for wear and replace them if necessary to maintain consistent performance. Always store your nailer in its case, in a dry, clean place, away from extreme temperatures, to protect its internal components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.